Okay, here we go. We're doing a headliner refabricking, I guess you could say, or added fabricking. So first thing I'm gonna do is clean this guy really good. Got my cleaning stuff good to go. Get it nice and clean. And I have the fabric, which I'm going to iron. This should match my carpet pretty good. And I have some. I'm going to start it out with some hot glue and then roll it on with some easy tack. So I'm going to clean this up and I'm going to iron that, and then we'll see where we're at. Alright, so I've got it all cleaned off. I got it ironed out, got all the major creases out of there. Right now I'm cutting away the trim. I just wanted to show really quickly before I finished a little extra on the corners because it dips down. Got about as much as I could, give it a little bit of room here. So I'm going to keep going around, but I just wanted to show about how much I've left behind. About 2 inches, so I'll do that. I got the hot glue gun. I'm going to see how much I can get done with that. Running along these creases, use that as my starting point with the hot glue gun. And then go from there. I'm hoping not to have to use that stuff because I really don't want to spray it inside. I probably won't, but alright, here goes nothing. Okay, it's on there. It actually looks really good. There's a couple of spots that I'm going to hit up with the heat gun and try and get the adhesive to get back on there, but for the most part it looks pretty darn good. There's a couple spots here where there's holes for the handhelds that I didn't spray a whole bunch around because I didn't want it to. I wanted to be able to have it be able to stretch into those holes. Same with this. So, but there's a couple spots. But overall, all in all, I mean, you're not going to be able to see that. I think I did a pretty good job, especially on the second half. The first half I was kind of getting used to it. But there's that. And on the back, flip it over here. I had it hot glue tacked on the inside all the way around. Just so that it'll be up. I'm not going to cut it yet. I will cut it. I just don't want to cut it yet. Just in case, because I don't need to, so I don't want to do it yet. Might need something for something. But there it is, man. New headliner. What can I say? It's $10. $10 for the hot glue gun and glue. $8 for the stuff is actually, it's really not, it's very low odor, so, well, there you go, new headliner.